Hello everyone! In the previous session, we have introduced how to assemble our exam. In this episode, I would like to show you how to do the wiring. First, prepare for 5 servo wires, 4 short and 1 long. You can connect them from the top to the bottom. Now, I would like to say that the mechanical gripper has already matched with 1 servo wire, so you can directly use it to connect to the another serial bus servo. And the servo wire can be plugged into either ports of the serial bus servo while connected. Now, let me show you. Connecting this servo wire first, you can plug into any port that you like. Then, using the short servo wire, as you can see, this short servo wire has already been put through the brackets, so you can just plug into the servo port. When it comes to the 4th and 5th servo, you need to use the long servo wire to connect them. Finally, the last 2 short servo wires used to connect the last servo and the controller. And now we have finished all the wirings of exam.
If you want to make your arm body more eye-pleasing, you can use the revest to fix the surplus servo wire. Just like that. Okay, so much for today's wiring introduction. If you still have any question, do not hesitate to contact us. See you there!